My name is Dennis De Leon, and I am your butler for today. How may I help you, sir?
I want to check in. Is there any available room?
Yes, sir. Let me assist you to front desk. May I carry your luggage, please?
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Sir, before we arrive to your room, allow me to explain our hotel facility. Breakfast will be available at the restaurant located at the lobby level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have cafe and business center at the lobby. Our meeting room are located on the second floor. Spa, swimming pool, and fitness center are located at the fifth floor. Sir, let me know if you want to make reservation to our hotel facility. Sir, we are in the front of your room. May I borrow your key card, please? Sir, before we explain your room facility, you have a safety deposit box inside your wardrobe. You have a mini bar if you want to consume snack or drink. Please fill the mini bar lips. This is your remote control. Now for your television channel. And you have your telephone to make ongoing call. Press 0 for operation assistant. Press 1 for laundry. And press 3 for room service. Sir, that is your air conditioner. And lastly, your bathroom. From water, tap red from the hot water. And do for cold.
Thank you. I will ask you again if I forgot it is.
It is my pleasure, sir. If you need further assistance while staying with us, please feel free to contact me with speed dial 1811.